Hello everybody, how are you? I hope you had a lovely weekend and the start of the week. So today for our phonics lesson, first we need to switch our brains on. Bzzz. We need to open our ears. We need to open our eyes. And we need to listen to what I say. So we're going to start our phonics lesson by looking at the voices sound. Are you ready? Remember, for the voices sound, we need to use our actions while we say the sounds. Ready? Right. Off you go. What's this, everybody? Amazing. Wee! Fantastic. And again, please. Wee! Well done. Let's see what's next. And this one, everybody. Well done. Can you do it by yourself now, please? Using your actions. Fantastic. And let's see next one. Ready? B, 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 b. Boing, 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 boing. B, 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 b. Well done. See what's next, everybody. What's this, everybody? Moo. Well done. Let me see your actions, please. Moo. Fantastic. Let's see what's next, everybody. And faster. Fantastic. And last one, everybody getting your beats ready. Ready. Bzzz. One more time, please. You have done it one more week. Well done. Give yourself a round of applause. Well done. So, now thinking fingers. Who can remember what have we been learning about for the past week? Amazing. We've been learning about our initial sound, yeah? And I know how good children in Red Base are at identifying initial sounds. So I wonder if you can tell me what is the initial sound for your name. Well done. Right, I'm going to say mine. Remember, I got two initial sounds. My initial sound is for miss, and then for Sarah. Miss Sarah. What is the initial sound for your name? Well done, fantastic. Right, because we are really good at identifying our initial sounds, we are going to be looking today at something really, really exciting. Are you ready? So today, I decided I wanted to do a picnic with some animals. Yeah? Because I love animals. Do you like animals? Well done. So I decided to invite some of my very own favorite animals. So first of all, what is it, everybody? Amazing. Cat. Now, I wonder if you know what is the initial sound for cat. Well done, everybody. K, 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 cat. What is the initial sound for cat? Amazing. K, 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 k. Well done. So I decided I wanted to invite my cat. Also, I love this animal. Can you tell me what is the name for this animal? Amazing. It's a lion. Now, I wonder if you know what is the initial sound for lion. Well done. Lion. Well done. What is the initial sound for lion, everybody? Fantastic. So we got a cat And we got a uh, 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 lion. Well done. What else have we got here? Who knows what is the name of this animal? It begins with a. Fantastic. Alligator. Oh, hold on a minute. What is the initial sound for alligator? Well done. Ah, 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 ah. Well done. What is the initial sound for alligator, everybody? Ah, 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 ah. Well done. So in our picnic, we got a cat. We got a lion, and we got a alligator. Well done. And the last one, take it closer. What is it, everybody? Bird. Well done. What is the initial sound for bird? B, 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 b. Do you remember, like bottle? Yeah? B, b, b. Well done. So let's put it here. We got a cat. We got a lion. We got a alligator, and we got a bear. Well done. So they were telling me this morning they only were gonna eat in the picnic something that begins with the same initial sound. So I'm gonna show you what I brought today for our picnic. Let's see. So I went to the supermarket this morning and I bought some, what's this, everybody? Carrot. Well done. Ooh, hold on a minute. Carrot. I wonder if you know what is the initial sound for carrot. Well done. Carrot. Do we have any animal that begin with Fantastic. We got the cat. Now let's see. Does cat and carrot, do they begin with the same initial sound? Fantastic. Yes, they do. Give you some round of applause. Wow. Well done. So let's put it together. We got the carrot and the cat. Now let's see what else have we got. Oh, what's this, everybody? Amazing. Banana. Now, what is the initial sound for banana? Let's have a think. What is the initial sound for banana? Amazing. B, 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 b. Oh, hold on a minute. Do we have any animal that begin with b, 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 b? Does lion begin with b? Does alligator begin with b? Or does the bird begin with b? Well done. Yes, it does. Bird begin with b, b, b. Same then, banana. Let's see. What is the initial sound for bird, everybody? B, b, b. What is the initial sound for banana, everybody? B, b, b. Well done. So they're gonna go together. Well done. Now we only got alligator and the lion. Yeah? Let's see what we got next. What's this, everybody? Apple. Amazing. What is the initial sound for apple? Well done. Apple. Yeah? Does lion begin with a? Or does alligator begin with a? almost got the same initial sound than apple. You are fantastic, well done. We say alligator. Let's have a think. Does alligator and apple begin with the same initial sound? Fantastic. Right, let's see what we got left. We got our lion, and we got song. What's this, everybody? Amazing, leaves. Well done. I wonder if you know what is the initial sound for leaves. Fantastic. Leaves. Oh, hold on a minute. Does lion and leaves begin with the same initial sound? Yes, they do. What is the initial sound for leaves and lion? Fantastic. Well done. So here we got the cat with the carrot. We got the bird with the banana. We got the lion with leaves, and we got our alligator with apple. Right, now it's time to enjoy our picnic. Thank you so much for helping me to give all the food to the animals. I hope you enjoy our phonics lesson today. Remember, you can play yourselves by looking in your room what objects you can play with or which toy you can play with and listening and saying the initial sound. I hope you enjoyed today's phonics lesson. I will see you tomorrow with more. Bye!